Hello everyone, welcome you back again to our lessons. My name is MOISE Archipe and I give lessons here at Juba. So today we are having our last lesson from the book, and this is the beginner part, and this lesson actually will introduce to us to the next level, right, where we're gonna learn intervals and still learning arpeggios and all that, because the focus is with the fingerstyle, you know. We're gonna learn a little bit more on that. And for today's lesson, what we are aiming for is to sound like this. Alright, very simple, very nice and very interesting. Alright. So what we are doing here, first of all, what you have to know is, and we are playing in the key of G. Okay? I believe we have been tired of playing in the key of C, so now we're gonna learn the key of G. So we're gonna have G, C, D, C, and G again, because we are playing the 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. Alright? So the principle is still the same in terms of progression, but only the chords they also switch, you know, according to the way we moved. So now the key is G, so the 1 is G, the 4 is C, the 5 is D, you know, and so on. Yeah. So what we are doing here is, on the G we play the A string, the E string and the A string, like this. Okay? So I play the 2 notes. I hope you can see. And then I pick the G string and the B string. Then I play the A string and the B string at the same time. And then I play the A string. This time I'm on the 2nd fret, and on the B string 3rd fret. So it's gonna look like this. So I pick them at the same time. Then I go to C. Sorry. So I play the A string, D string, and then E string. And then I go to the B string, but 3rd fret. Okay. Then I go to the D chord. It should look like this. Alright, I hope you can see as well. Then it's gonna be. So what I did was, I played the D string and then picked these 3 notes at the same time. And then play the B string on the 3rd fret. Okay? Then E string 2nd fret, and then I go to C. Okay, I played the A string, B string, and then I pick the G string, B string, and E string. And then 3rd fret, B string. Then we start again. yeah, so we are done with the beginner section. I really hope I will see you for the intermediate as well, which gonna come very soon. And if you really did enjoy, please do like, leave a comment, share, and follow us on Instagram, on all social media, and all that good stuff. And see you next time. Enjoy.